Hello everybody, my name is Jack and welcome back. Of course, you know why you came back. It's for a new and interesting Italian language lesson. Today I'm gonna explain you how to make polite requests. The most important thing to know, especially when you're going to visit Italy, is how to make polite requests. Whenever you will go, restaurants, cafes, shops, you will find yourself in need to make polite requests. To make an example, follow my twin, Professor John, in a bar. Salve, buongiorno. That is the right way to start conversation. In fact, salve is a polite way to say hello in Italian language. And buongiorno means good day. So far, so good. Buongiorno. Io voglio un caffè. Well, although it is grammatically correct, using the verb volere, to want, but that is exactly like English. In fact, using the verb I want, io voglio, conjugated to its first singular person, is yet correct, but will sound very rude. In the same degree, if in English I use the form I want a coffee, that sounds imperative, so in English you transform and use the conditional mode and you say I would like a coffee, please. Well, adding please at the end of the sentence is a very good way to conclude your polite requests. In Italian happens the same thing. We use the conditional mode. Instead of io voglio, we can say io vorrei. Io vorrei un caffè. Grazie. Certo, un caffè subito. Io vorrei is the equivalent of the English I would like. Conditional is a verb mode that mainly describes situations, habits, and events subordinated to a certain condition. To make an example, having the events be subordinated to the events A, in this situation, if A happens or it is true, conditional form makes B true as well. With $1 million, I would like a Ferrari. Or if I had $1 billion, I would like a Ferrari. In this case, I use the conditional because the action of owning and wishing for a Ferrari is subordinated to the matter of fact the first action, having $1 billion, is true. So, going back in topic, I would like is I want if it is possible. That's the whole meaning about I would like and the Italian vorrei. In fact, vorrei expresses exactly that the action A, I want, comes true if action B, is that possible, comes true as well. Okay guys, now it's grammar time. Volere, ere, it belongs to the second conjugation. Blackboard? Whoop! Io voglio, I want. Tu vuoi, you want. Lui, lei vuole. He, she, it wants. Noi vogliamo, we want. Voi volete, you want. Loro vogliono, they want. Yeah, of course. As I said before, volere sounds very, very rude when you're making a request. Therefore, we switch to conditional mode. The conjugation will be the following. Io vorrei, I would. Tu vorresti, you would. Lui, lei vorrebbe. He, she, it would. Noi vorremmo. We would. Voi vorreste. You would. Loro vorrebbero. They would. So, of course, you don't have to remember all the conjugations because often the first singular person and the first plural person will be the most used ones because you will ask things for yourself and for your group. So the most used forms will be io vorrei un caffè, I would like a coffee, or noi vorremmo un caffè, we would like a coffee. So here we are, I'm John, Jack's brother. Haha! Gotcha! I'm still Professor Jack. And, I'm just here to say class is dismissed. Please hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe, but most importantly, stay tuned and speak like a genius. Bye!